Ooh, 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 ooh. Looks like two big heads. No, I'm talking about like flying in the water. Looked like it was two big heads. Yep, definitely. Circle hook. Circle hook. Oh, this one's got some shoulders. Oh, this guy's got some shoulders, Pete. No, you got your own. Shoulders on this guy. Yeah. We both got on. We both got the same one. Dogfish. A shark. He fouled us both. Who's got who? You got him? Would you mind staying away from me? Is it yours? Yep, my fish. My fish. My fish. Alright. This is a little bit bigger than what was happening. This is a little bit bigger. Sure hope it's not a dogfish. I sure hope it's not a dogfish, but it feels like it. Yep. Huh? Yeah. Follow me around. The problem with you, Mr. Fish, is... Oh, thank you very much.